Hello and welcome. This is Darla Ledoux, founder of Sourced and author of Shift the Field. And I want to speak today to the idea of creating ideal clients. Creating ideal clients. Now, notice I did not say attracting ideal clients. I did not say marketing to ideal clients, anything like that. I said creating ideal clients. And that's what I want to speak to. So pause for a moment, take a breath, and I want you to ask yourself, how are you feeling about the clients you're working with today? And I want you to even imagine your calendar. And the intention with a sourced business is that every single appointment on your calendar is something that feels good to you, right? There's never that client or that group or that engagement that makes you go, oh, I really don't want to do that today. So where are you at with that? Just take a moment to reflect. And I want to ask you, what would it be like if all your clients were ideal clients? Now, if that's already true for you, you might want to stop watching now. But if you have, or you ever have had those clients that are like your less than favorite, right? Or you wonder how it's going to go with them, or you wonder what problem they're going to have next, or you wonder, like, are they actually doing their homework? Like that kind of thing. And I want you to imagine that all of your clients are like just right for you. Now, I don't want you to imagine going out there and getting new clients, although, for some people that may be appropriate, that it's time to shift who your star client is, up level who you're speaking to so your magic can shine in a higher level. For a lot of entrepreneurs, these client issues are coming up for us as the leader to grow. So creating new clients is all about helping your client shift their energy at the core. It's not about getting different clients. It's not that you're doing something wrong in your teaching or that the stuff you're bringing to them isn't brilliant. Like maybe you see exactly what they need to do, but for whatever reason they can't see it or they're not doing it and you don't know why. I want to invite you to consider that there is a way that you can help them to shift their energy at the very core. And when that energy shifts, actually doing the things that you really want them to do becomes easy. It becomes natural. It becomes something that they really want to do, not something that you have to give them accountability for or make them want it, right? Because they naturally want that which is good for their soul. So many service providers don't know how to do this, or they don't know how to do it predictably. Like some clients might come, like they're so hungry for transformation that they get it like that. And it's like you can ask a few questions and they got it and they're off and running. But other clients are a little more challenging. They're a little stickier, right? And they call for you to do a little bit more, to be a little bit more, to show up more in your power. Now, this isn't about working harder to please them, right? That can be the tendency, like, how can I do more so they're happy? But it's not about that. It's about getting at what's underneath, what I call their hidden commitment, right? This energetic truth that they're carrying that's hidden from their view that is causing them to show up this way in their relationship to you. When you can help them uncover that, it changes everything. When they see that truth, they can release it and they can create something new to take its place. And they're going to come to their calls and their trainings and their group sessions and all of the things with you in a whole new energy field. Now, if you don't know exactly how to deliver that, I'm not going to teach that here in this video. I actually have, a whole training and certification around it, but I do want to let you know that that is the subject of my new book, which is coming out April 12th. So I want to invite you to mark your calendar. If you want to get on an interest list to get an announcement when it comes out, you can see that link below this video. For now, right? Because it's coming really, really soon. For now, I really want you to reflect on this concept that it's not about getting new clients or attracting better clients. It's actually about being a better leader of transformation for the clients that you already have. Like, it's so much easier to show up for them with this firm container and understanding of how to shift the field than it is to bring in whole new people. Because guess what? If you need to grow in this way as a leader, the whole new people are going to have the same freaking issues. So like, let's prepare to shift the field for your clients together. Check out the link below, and thank you so much for being here. I'd love to know your own experience with this, where you've had a transformation and you've seen all of your clients totally change how they show up for you. I know people watching have those stories. Please post them in the comments, and we'll see you soon.